Imagine this. You wake up one day and you realize that you're not carrying any extra weight on your body, but also your mind. Today, I'm going to reveal to you how a powerful mindset shift not only allowed me to shed 150 pounds, but also transformed the way I view life and health, but also helped over 100 plus people lose 50 pounds. So stay tuned to find out how you could do it too. And wait to the end of this video where I'm going to give you your own actionable steps for your own weight loss success without having to have a need to jab your ass with a needle, aka Ozempic. All right, so first of all, who the heck am I? Right? Am I just some jack guy in a stringer? No. Okay. I've been in your shoes because chances are you're clicking on this video because you want to know how to lose weight, right? Because you saw I lost weight. I lost 150 pounds, right? I got a bunch of certifications. I did a bunch of courses. I also did surgery. Okay. Not for gastric bypass, but for dead skin removal. All right. And this was me before the surgery. This was me after the surgery. You can see pretty good shape. I'd like to say so myself. If you don't agree with me, I don't give a shit. Drop me a bad comment down below. Helps with the algorithm. Now, I've walked the path from being over 150 pounds overweight to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight for the last near decade. More importantly, I changed the way I think about food, exercise, and self-care. And in this channel is where I'm going to unpack everything I've learned so you can transform your life too. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, pause this video and drop a like because it really helps get more reach and attention to eyeballs so I can help more people on their weight loss journey. Okay. Just like Kim, she lost over 100 pounds. Just like Daniel lost over 100 pounds. Just like Mike lost over 100 pounds. Just like Sammy lost over 120 pounds. Colin lost over 150 pounds. Rogie lost almost 100 pounds. He lost like 80 pounds. Okay. I've helped over 100 people lose 50 pounds. I want to help more. Okay. Now, the real challenge. Most of us start our weight loss journey focusing on the scale, the mirror, your clothes, the validations from others, or especially on the internet, right? The physical changes we need to or did make. But what's the real challenge, right? It's not the gym or the diet. It's the mental blocks that stops us from seeing real lasting results. Okay, so my journey began at 370 effing pounds. And my first step wasn't the gym. In fact, I used to make the joke I was too fat to fit in the door. Okay. It was a journey within myself to change my dumb, stubborn mindset. So my defining moment. You might have heard by now, if you've watched other parts of my content, right? My doctor said I'd be dead by 24. I literally couldn't see my dick in the mirror, right? This is not an exaggeration. Most of you know Peter Griffin from Family Guy. I was the real life version of that. And as you can imagine, I hated everything inside and outside my life and my body. And it got to the point where I was on antidepressants. I attempted suicide twice. This isn't a sad story. This isn't a sob story. Obviously, I made it out. But the day I realized that I wasn't losing weight, wasn't about punishing myself with restrictions, but about rewarding myself with a new, healthier lifestyle, and everything changed. Okay. So here's how I shifted my mindset. First of all, vision. I envisioned myself not just thinner, but richer in every aspect. Second, education. I took a bunch of courses, started learning, started getting taught. I started understanding the science of weight loss, and it helped me make more informed decisions. Shout out Natish. This is my coach or former coach, my life coach, my mentor, my guru, whatever you want to call it. I love this guy. He's actually the reason this is called Puffy Got Puffy. Story on that. If you want to know the story on that, I have a whole video, probably by the time this video comes out, about my whole story. It's probably going to be the first video pinned on my YouTube. Okay. And third thing, mindfulness. I learned to listen to my body's needs rather than what everyone says and their expectations and the bullshit online and social media, right? Or do this fad diet and this juice cleanse and all this nonsense. I listened to myself, okay? Acceptance and commitment. I accepted my starting point without judgment, and I continued and committed to gradual, sustainable changes. I didn't get up. I was like, hey, I'm going to drop 10 pounds this week. No. I didn't think I was actually able to be in the shape that I am now. If I had a time machine, I could go back and literally the only way I would believe you could show me a picture, I wouldn't believe you. The literal only way I would believe you is if I was like Stewie Griffin in Family Guy. I love that show. And he went back to his former self, even though he never really aged in the TV show, right? But anyways, if I were to go back present day to my former self and I could tell myself everything I know about myself, that's the only way I believe. Because you could show me a picture, wouldn't have believed you. My first goal was not to lose 150 pounds. It was not to lose 100 pounds. I literally could not shop in clothes. I am in Canada, if you didn't know. I could not shop in clothes. stores, like anywhere, right? I had to get my stuff imported from the US and pay like $45 for a graphic t-shirt that said some funny, stupid shit on it. So my first goal will get to a 5XL to a 2XL. And then I continued internal and external positive talk. Okay, I transformed my internal dialogue, focusing on encouragement over criticism. Again, thank you, Nitish. She helped me so much with this. I didn't critique myself in every aspect. I didn't get up and check the scale and like, fuck, I hate my life, right? I used to be my own biggest critic because it got to the point where like I was nitpicking every little thing, right? And if I wasn't 100% on my diet, I would like give myself I feel like crap. But that's not sustainable. That's not reasonable, right? And then I had a community of support system. And then, so I joined support systems, but later I created my own community that fosters positive reinforcement and helped me and others tremendously. So that's my school community. I want you to pause this. I want you to go join this. I have a limited amount of members available, or memberships available. It's free. There's not a membership. You just have to put your fucking email in. Okay. In this, I'll show you the back end. It's really cool. You have nutrition, you have cardio, you have exercise, you have the videos of me cooking, blah, 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 blah. You want to learn more? Go inside there. Back to the video. So here you go. Like I promised at the beginning of this video. Okay, I don't want to be just Joe Schmo spewing a bunch of crap on the internet. I want to actually help you. Okay, so if you take these next steps and you take action, you will lose weight. I promise you. Okay, so here are some sustainable strategies for actual success. To replace old habits with new ones, I developed simple, effective strategies that anyone can follow. First of all, smart goal setting. Setting realistic, measurable, and timely goals. I have a video. If I remember, I will put it in the description below, or simply go to my YouTube channel. It is there. Okay, this is the thumbnail. Okay, SMART goals. SMART. You will learn what that stands for. Okay, cliffhanger. Balanced nutrition. Okay, crazy concept. I learned about the macros and micronutrients to create enjoyable and fulfilling, sustainable, satiating meals. Okay. Now, if you want to learn more about this, again, join the school community. I have literally an entire module on nutrition. I don't want to bore you and make this video too long because everybody has the attention span of a squirrel. But you want balance, okay? You want balance and you want consistency. You want to incorporate foods that you love in healthier ways so that you can eat meals that you actually enjoy. It's not a fucking punishment. You're not a food prisoner. So in the school community, you will literally have recipes for cookies and brownies that won't make you feel like shit and it won't make you get fat. It's inside the school, okay? You want to enjoy physical activities, or at least make them enjoyable. So choose forms of exercises that you love or that I love, right? And that would actually ensure that you stay consistent. So I don't like running. And if you don't like running, which honestly, I don't recommend running if you are a large individual, so go fucking walk. Okay, that's the biggest one. Or go dance, or go lift weights, or garden, or like do literally anything. Go pick a ball. Pick a ball? Pack a ball? What? Pickleball. Pickleball. Go pickleball. Like, it's like the lazy version of tennis. That's still better. Okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, if you are ready to take health into your own hands, and you need personalized guidance, and you are finally sick and tired of being sick and tired, and you want to have the ability to not be winded walking up the stairs, you want to be able to live longer for your children, or stick around long enough so you could walk them down the aisle. Maybe you want to be able to play with your grandkids like pain-free without getting winded. Maybe you want to retire pain-free and stress-free and not have to worry constantly about when your next doctor's appointment is. Then, here is a picture of what it's going to look like. I would encourage you to book a free game plan chat with me today. And on this call, we're going to talk about your likes, your dislikes, your preferences, and basically map out an entire custom game plan for you to get you from point A to point Z with actual ease. Because I've been there. I've been in your shoes. I've helped over 100 people lose 50 pounds. Anyways, speak soon, or I will see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this, please make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. And if you know anybody that's struggling on their weight loss journey, or considering to do some extreme measures like Ozempic or gastric bypass, please send them my shit. They don't need to do that. They're going to regret it. Anyways, thanks for watching.